Well, I'll read my problem. The length of a school bus is 12 and 6/10 meters. If 9 school buses park end to end with 2 meters between each one, what's the total length from the front of the first bus to the end of the last bus? So I'm going to draw a model to help me solve this problem. And I'm going to use a bar diagram. So I've got my bar here. Of course, I start with a bar because it's a bar diagram. So I'm looking at my problem, and I'm going to make a space to represent one of the 9 school buses. So draw a line. And this space right here is going to represent a school bus. And then I look at my problem, and it says that there's 2 meters between each school bus. So I'm going to have a little space to represent those 2 meters between the school buses. So I can't forget that. Then I'll draw another school bus. That's my second school bus. And do another little space in between. My third school bus. Another space. My fourth school bus. Another space. My fifth school bus. Another space.
Not a good sign.
Okay, so I have this is my 7th school bus right here, so I'm going to draw another space between the 7th and the 8th school bus. Then there's my 8th school bus, one more space, and this is my 9th school bus. And I'm not going to put another space because it asks what's the total length from the front of the first bus to the end of the last bus, so I don't need to put another space there. So I know that the length of a school bus is 12 and 6/10 meters for my problem, so I'm just going to put that in. 12 and 6/10. Oh, wait. I'm going to change color for my numbers, sorry.
Do that blue.
Just a minute. Okay. All right. Another color for my numbers so we can distinguish the numbers. So the length of a school bus is 12 and 6/10 meters. And that's going to apply to all of my spaces. Then the length right in between here is 2 meters, if you can see that. It's kind of small. So what I did to solve my problem is, first of all, I was going to get the length of all of my school buses, and then I'm going to add in the spaces. That's what I did. So 12 and 6/10 times 9, because there are 9 school buses. So 6 times 9 equals 54, carry my 5. 9 times 2 equals 18, and 18 plus 5 would be 23. Carry my 2. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. And then if I look at this, my decimal is one number to the left, and there are no numbers to the right of my decimal here, so I'm just going to go one space to the left and place my decimal. So then I'm going to take this, I'm going to add in all my little spaces between my school buses. So I have 2 meters here. Another 2 meters would make 4 meters. Another 2 meters would make 6 meters. Another 2 meters would make 8 meters. Another 2 meters would make 10 meters. Another 2 meters would make 12 meters. Another 2 meters would make 14 meters. And another 2 meters would make 16 meters. So I'm going to add in 16 to 113 and 4/10. So 4/10 plus 16, and I have to line up my numbers, so I'm going to use my decimal to line up my numbers. If I look at the number 16, then I can't see the decimal, so that means the 6 is right before the decimal. So I'm going to put my decimal right here, put my 6, my 1, and I put a 0 because every number needs a partner. I'll just erase that right there. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 1 plus 1, 9, not 6. Sorry, who wrote that wrong? 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 1 plus 0 equals 1, and then my decimal comes straight down. So my final answer was 129 and 4/10 meters.